If you want to enhance your Yahoo Mail security by removing old devices from your account settings, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your connected devices effectively. Step 1. Sign into Yahoo Mail. Go to the Yahoo Mail website and enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account security settings. Before changing your settings, use the Yahoo.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Review recent activity. In the account security section, look for an option that says recent activity or manage devices. Click on it to see a list of devices that have access to your Yahoo Mail. Step 4. Identify old devices. Review the list of devices and identify any that you no longer use or recognize. Take note of the devices you want to remove from your account. Step 5. Remove old devices. Select the device you wish to remove and follow the prompts to disconnect it from your Yahoo Mail account. Confirm the action if prompted. By following these steps, you can keep your Yahoo Mail account secure by removing access from old devices. Regularly checking your security settings is a good practice to maintain your online safety.